If you've recently stumbled across GrayStitch.com while scrolling for fashion deals and were drawn in by the eye-catching 51% off summer sale on stylish dresses and three-piece suits, you're not alone. But before you grab your credit card, there are several things you need to know that could save you from regret. GrayStitch.com claims to be a trendy online retailer offering women's fashion at unbelievably low prices, which might sound like a dream come true in today's economy. However, when we started digging deeper into the website, a series of red flags began to pile up, casting serious doubt on the store's credibility. First off, the domain was registered very recently on September 9, 2024, which is a commentary among scam sites that pop up quickly, attract buyers with flashy deals, and then vanish without a trace. There's also no About Us page, which raises questions about who's behind the business. Reputable companies usually provide clear information about their mission, values, team, or at least some history to establish trust. GrayStitch.com offers none of that transparency. Even more troubling is the business address listed on the site. It appears to be fake or at the very least highly misleading, as we couldn't verify it through any trusted directory or Google Maps. Then there are the manipulative marketing tactics like countdown timers, claims of only a few items left, and urgent pop-ups saying, "Someone just bought this." All classic high-pressure sales tricks designed to create artificial urgency and prevent you from thinking twice. When it comes to the products themselves, the images used across the website appear to be copied from other fashion sites or stock photo repositories, which raises questions about whether they even manufacture or possess the items they claim to sell. And perhaps most damning of all, there are zero genuine customer reviews on popular platforms like Trustpilot, CityJabber, or even social media. There's simply no evidence that real customers have had positive experiences with this store. In fact, there's no evidence of real customers at all. While there's always a chance that a new website is simply getting started and hasn't built a reputation yet, the sheer number of warning signs here, lack of transparency, shady business information, copied content, and pressure tactics makes it difficult to trust GrayStitch.com as a reliable place to shop. So before you get lured in by those deep discounts and beautiful product photos, ask yourself, is the risk really worth it? Sometimes what looks like a bargain online turns out to be nothing more than a well-packaged illusion.